Here's everything you need to assemble your new Pope self-watering Clever pot. The outer pot, the inner pot, and the water level indicator with flotation ring. The blue indicator is easily fitted to the flotation ring if not attached. The level indicator should face the front, so when the water rises, you'll be able to see the blue. Note, the flotation ring has grooves to easily slot into place. Next, place the inner pot into the outer pot and you're ready to start potting. Step 1. Add some soil. Step 2. Insert plant and fill soil up to the base of the plant. For the first 2 weeks, you'll need to water directly onto the plant until the roots are established. Larger plants may take longer. After 2 weeks, pour into the water inlet to fill the reservoir when empty. As you fill the reservoir, the level indicator will rise until all blue. This shows it's full. The built-in water reservoir in the bottom of the pot provides water to the plant's roots using plant capillary action. When the blue level drops to empty, you know when to top up with water. That's clever.